No more pop, crackle, or spit. Meet the ultimate mic pop filter for crystal clear vocals. Sick of plosives ruining your recordings? Say goodbye to annoying pops, crackles, and wind interference with the PEMOTech upgraded 3-layer pop filter. Unlike flimsy foam covers or bendy mesh screens, this heavy-duty, multi-layer shield provides professional-grade sound clarity. Featuring a metal mesh, foam layer, and etamine filter, it obliterates harsh P and B sounds while keeping your microphone clean and dry. Whether you're recording podcasts, vocals, streaming, ASMR, or voiceovers, this pop filter ensures every syllable is smooth, crisp, and distortion-free. It's the secret weapon for serious content creators who want studio-quality audio. Forget wobbly, weak pop filters that barely do the job. The PEMOTech mic shield is built like a tank with a snug, secure grip designed to fit 45mm to 61mm microphones, perfect for a T2020, Rode T1A, MXL770, Samson Meteor, and more. The elastic band and inner rubber ring combo locks it in place, meaning no frustrating slip-offs mid-recording. Unlike traditional pop filters that take up space and get knocked over, this compact, clip-on design stays put and blends seamlessly with your mic setup. Zero distractions, total performance. Who said protection couldn't be stylish? The metal mesh exterior adds a sleek, pro look while doubling as a durable, long-lasting filter that outperforms standard foam covers. No more wet mics from spit spray during intense sessions. This filter acts as a moisture barrier, keeping your microphone clean, dry, and in top shape for years. Plus, it's a breeze to maintain, simply wipe and go, unlike disposable foam covers that wear out fast. Long-term durability? Check. Hassle-free maintenance? Double check. Quality sound doesn't have to break the bank. The PEMOTech pop filter gives you pro-level clarity at a fraction of the cost, making it an absolute steal for streamers, singers, podcasters, and content creators. Why waste money on expensive post-production fixes when you can eliminate vocal distortion in real time? No more hours spent editing out harsh sounds, just record clean from the start and save time on retakes. Affordable, high quality, and easy to use, this is an audio upgrade you can't afford to skip. Want that smooth, studio-polished sound? The PEMOTech 3-layer mic shield is your ticket to pro-level audio without the hassle. Whether you're belting out vocals, whispering ASMR, or chatting with your audience, this filter ensures every word comes through flawlessly. With thousands of happy customers and a design that outshines standard foam covers, it's time to level up your sound game. Don't wait, grab yours today and experience the magic of crystal clear audio.